Chapter 2: Living and Non-Living Things. Learning Objective: Living Things and Non-Living Things. Features of living things. Living and non-living things. In this world, there are many types of living and non-living things. For example, human beings, animals, insects, plants, and trees are all living things, which have some special features. All living things need air, water, and food to survive. There are few similarities among various kinds of living things. Things that do not have life are called non-living things. Chair, table, book are non-living things. Human beings breathe through their nose. Features of living things. Living things need air to live. Air is a mixture of many gases. One of them is oxygen. Oxygen is required to breathe for all living things. All living things breathe in various ways. Human beings and animals breathe through the nose. Some animals, like the earthworms, breathe through their skin. These earthworms make the soil fertile. Some aquatic animals, like fish, tadpole, etc., breathe through their gills. They use oxygen dissolved in water. Plants breathe through tiny openings called stomata. Stomata are found on leaves. Some leaves also have stomata on their stems and roots. Living things need water for different purposes. All living things need water for different purposes. Human beings need water to drink, bath, wash, etc. Animals require water to drink and bath. Plants require water to make food. They also require water for evaporation. Living things need food. All living things take food to gain energy. Plants are the only things that can prepare food with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, minerals, etc. Leaves prepare food for plants, and process of preparing food is called photosynthesis. Plants also need food to grow. Sunflower turns towards sunlight and prepare food from sunlight. Let me answer. Can plants move from one place to another? Which types of movement do plants show? All human beings and animals depend on plants for their food directly or indirectly. Teacher's notes. Tell the students about the various types of internal organs. Use the models and pictures of these organs to explain their functioning and importance in the body. Living things have movement. All living things have different types of movements. Human beings can move from one place to another place for many purposes. Animals move from place to place in search of food and shelter. Birds have wings to fly and feet to walk. Plants cannot move directly from one place to another, but show various types of movements. Info bits. Plants also breathe and prepare food. The plant prepare food from water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. All living things grow. All living things are born, become adult, grow old, and die. You can note down many changes during the period of growth. Seeds become plants, and some plants grow further and become trees. All living things have young ones. All living things reproduce their young ones to maintain their race. All human beings and animals like dog, cat, horse, elephant, giraffe, cow, etc. give birth to young ones. Living things that give birth to young ones are called mammals. Birds, insects, fish, turtle, etc. lay eggs. After some time hatching, the young ones come out of the eggs. Plants grow from seeds, but some plants also grow from stems. Summary. All living things need air, water, and food to survive. Plants require water to make food. All living things have different types of movements. Living things that give birth to young ones are called mammals. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. A. Plants breathe through nose, mouth, stomata. Answer: stomata. B. All living things breathe through same organ, different organs, nose, mouth. Answer: nose. C. The sunflower turns towards moon, stars, sun. Answer: sun. D. Living things that give birth to young ones are called mammals, reptiles, birds. Answer: mammals. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Human beings breathe through their dash. Answer: nose. 2. Food is the source of dash. Answer: energy. 3. Plants breathe through dash. Answer: stomata. 4. Plants need dash to make food. Answer: sunlight. C. Write true and false. A. The look of all living things change with their growth. Answer: true. B. Stems and roots of some plants also have stomata. Answer: true. C. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. Answer: true. D. All living things have nose to breathe. Answer: false. D. Match the columns. A. Leaves. Answer: stomata. B. Human beings. Answer: nose. C. Fish. Answer: gills. D. Earthworm. Answer: skin. E. Answer the following questions. A. What is photosynthesis? Answer: leaves prepare food for plants and the process of preparing food is called photosynthesis. B. What happens when living things are born? Answer: all living things are born, become adults, grow old and die. You can note many changes during the period of growth. C. How do fish breathe? Answer: some aquatic animals like fish, tadpole, etc. breathe through their gills. They use oxygen dissolved in water. D. How do plants prepare their food? Answer: plants are the only things that can prepare food with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, minerals, etc. A. Collect different types of leaves, dry them and paste them in your scrapbook. B. Play with a dog and observe what are the similarities between dog and you.